Good morning. We're commencing the audit for the year ended December 31st. Our objective is to obtain reasonable assurance that the financial statements are free from material misstatement, whether due to error or fraud. We'll focus on key assertions for major accounts, and our testing will be guided by a performance materiality of $50,000.
Understood. We're prepared to provide full access to our records and personnel. Where would you like to begin?
Let's start with cash. Please provide the year-end bank statements and corresponding bank reconciliations.
Certainly. Here are the statements and reconciliations.
Thank you. I see a significant deposit in transit dated December 30th. We'll trace this to the subsequent period's bank statement to verify cutoff. We also require direct confirmation from your bank for all year-end balances.
That was a large customer payment that cleared on January 2nd. The signed bank confirmation forms are ready.
Moving to revenue. Can you outline your recognition policy under ASC 606?
Our standard terms are FOB shipping point. Revenue is recognized when goods are passed to the carrier.
We'll need to test that. Please provide the sales journal and accounts receivable aging report. I see a significant sales spike in the final week of December.
That's our typical year-end sales push. Our customers stock up before New Year price increases.
That may be the business reason, but an unusual trend heightens the risk of misstatement. We will select a sample of these transactions and vouch them to shipping documents to confirm existence and proper cutoff. We will also perform analytical procedures comparing this trend to prior years. Now, for completeness of liabilities, we will perform a search for unrecorded liabilities. Please provide a detailed listing of all cash disbursements made in the first month of the new year.
Of course. You're testing for payments related to prior year expenses that weren't accrued?
Precisely. I also see a large, round number accrual for professional services. We need to challenge the basis for this estimate. Please provide the underlying contract. Let's discuss inventory valuation. We observed your physical stock count. Now we need to test the pricing and costing.
We use a weighted average cost method. The system calculates it automatically based on purchase data.
We will reperform that calculation for a sample of high-value items by tracing them to recent vendor invoices. What is your policy for identifying obsolete inventory? I noted several pallets that appeared to be slow-moving.
We review inventory aging quarterly. Those items are for a legacy product line. We believe they still have salvage value.
We will need to see the analysis supporting that valuation. Without sufficient appropriate evidence of their net realizable value, auditing standards may require a write-down to ensure inventory is not overstated. We must also address the risk of management override of controls. Have there been any transactions with related parties during the year?
No, none that I'm aware of.
We will corroborate that by reviewing board minutes and performing journal entry testing. We'll specifically look for unusual, non-standard, or late entries made by senior management, as these can be indicators of override. In reviewing the board minutes, I found a reference to a potential legal dispute that was not included in your disclosures.
Yes. Our legal counsel advised it was unlikely to result in a liability, so we didn't accrue for it.
We must independently assess all contingent liabilities. We will send a direct legal confirmation to your counsel to obtain their formal assessment of the matter's likelihood and potential financial impact.
I see. I'll authorize that immediately.
This entire process, the questioning, the requests for evidence, the corroboration, is the essence of professional skepticism. It's not about mistrust. It's the foundation of a quality audit, ensuring the financial statements are free from material misstatement. It is our core professional duty.